In this video I'm going to show you how to create a super simple 2D movement script in Unity. First, you want to start a 2D Unity project and add a sprite. I've used a circle and name it player. First I'm going to add a script to the player and then add a rigid body 2D component to the player. And if you're doing top down movement like I am, set the gravity scale to 0 so it doesn't fall off of the screen. Alright, let's break down this code. The line public float move speed equals 5s. It allows us to control how fast the player moves. We'll see it in the inspector so you can tweak it later without changing the code. Next we declare two variables, one for our rigid body 2D component and one to store the player's movement direction. The line is private rigid body 2D RB and private vector 2 move input. In the start function we get a reference to the rigid body 2D component so we can move the player later using physics. Then we check for the player's input using Unity's built-in Input.GetAxisRaw. This checks if the player is pressing the arrow keys or WASD. We also normalize the vector so that the diagonal movement isn't faster than moving straight. Finally, in fixed update, we apply the movement RB.linearVelocity sets the player's speed and direction based on the input and our movement speed. Okay, so back in Unity, we're going to hit play and test it out. Player moves with the arrow keys or WASD, it's easy as that. And that's it, basic 2D movement in Unity with just a few lines of code. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Unity tips. Let me know what you want next and I'll see you in the next one.